manifested this shit. Like John D. Rockefeller. He manifested the whole world. I manifested raw butter. That's Finnish. And it's made from goat's milk. If you wanna be the goat, you gotta eat the goats. Whatever else, whatever comes out of the goats. Oh my god, I have been craving butter. And raw butter, we don't eat that pasteurized shit. If you wanna be pasteurized, if you wanna pasteurize your brain, you're gonna eat that pasteurized shit. And let me tell you, it's freaking hard finding Finnish raw butter. Obviously, I could make it myself with the raw milk I get, but well, I don't get raw goat's milk, but from raw milk I get raw cow's milk. I could make it myself if I had the guts, if I had the skills to do it. It's not that hard. Anyway, I haven't been doing it. But now, if you finish like myself, you can actually order raw butter. Goat's butter or cow's butter, but I ordered goat's butter because the cow's butter was out of stock, and I have never even had raw goat's milk before, and I never had goat butter. And now I'll say goat milk superior to cow's milk. It's way closer to the human breast milk. So that's pretty cool. It's like the heritage breed of goats and cows from this company. If you're a Finnish person, you can order it. Now the price is a bit buttery. It's a bit buttery price, but you need quite a bit of milk, and every good thing is freaking expensive these days. So first time ever in my life having raw goat butter. Let's have it. Wow, it's different from the cow's butter. It's much more wider. Cow's butter is golden. I would say the taste is not as good as the cow butter, but it's pretty freaking good. It's a different taste. But man, butter is some of the best food out there. Raw butter. The weird thing about it is you cannot get this stuff, or it's not weird if you understand how things are going, how things are built in the system, and it's impossible, almost impossible to get raw butter made in Finland. We can get some French raw butter for whatever reason, and even that's not that available. Only probably a couple of bigger cities here in Finland. But why the fuck those providers don't get this one? The Finnish butter. I don't want French cow's butter. I want Finnish butter. Raw butter. Now the taste is obviously 10 out of 10. Butter is always 10 out of 10. One of the best fat sources, if you can handle dairy. Oh, it's freaking good. It's starting to heat good. Now obviously we're gonna taste raw chicken with raw goat butter. How they mix together. Also, I'm really hungry. Really hungry, so this tastes amazing. Yeah, that combination 10 out of 10. Now I'm being freaking smashing these technocrats and the technologies that suck the soul out of human beings, suck the hell out of human beings, and make us obedient idiots. But this is one good thing about technology, that you can order this online and get it. But obviously, much better option would be that you would milk the goat yourself with your tiny little hands. And then you would pet the goat, good job, and then little goat would come and suck the mama's titty also. And you would watch while you drink the goat milk and be like, oh man, this is so cool. Or somebody in your close tribe would have goats or cows, and you would go visit him or her to get the raw milk. That would be the best. That would be the nature's way. That would be way better than getting it through the internet without interaction. No interactions. You can just get it from the machines. But at least you can still get it. That's some good news. I've been craving butter for months. Butter is so good. It goes so well together with this raw chicken. This is unsalted. Arjunus would pet my head right now. Good boy. You're a good boy. No salt. I'm not against salt. It's fine. Man, let's compare which one is better fat source. We got some of this raw beef fat that is kind of yellowish. This beef fat has kind of fungus taste already. The beef fat get kind of funky a lot of the times, I've noticed. Butter, better. I would say right now my top 3 fat sources taste wise would be probably the raw bone marrow, if it's the good kind, the soft kind. That's probably my favorite. I had those many times in winter. Second would probably be raw cow's butter. It has a little bit more flavor than the goat butter. But the goat butter is probably better health-wise. What would be my third? Maybe salmon. That's a good omega-3 source. I never had raw brain. I hear that it's pretty damn fantastic. That's another food that has been forgotten. Guess why? So that brain of yours doesn't work. That's probably the best land source of omega-3s, that DHA that we so much need. I'm starting to think that don't eat fish. It got all these plastics and mercury and poisons in it. It's another psyop. We need a lot of fish. I've been eating a lot of salmon. It makes you, I can tell you, salmon makes your genitals the most moist. It increases my libido the most out of any foods. It's super noticeable. Even better than oysters. That Finnish salmon. And it can even be farm raised. So, eating fish might be another psyop. Well, let's see how I feel with this raw goat butter. It's really tasty. Tasty, tasty stuff. The price is buttery, but if you have the pretty penny, get it. They also have cow's raw butter, but it was out of stock when I ordered this, like I already said. So next time, I'll try to get that one also. Anyway, raw butter is amazing. See you.